We finally made it an hour and a half later.
That pipe right there, you see behind me? They use that pipe to pump water a mile
Picking my
all the way to
kayak up
Oxbury.
right here.
And toting it way down yonder and going to the right. We just sit down and made a game plan for where we needed to be tomorrow by a certain time. And we're gonna sit back and chill out. It's Sunday morning. Me and Jacob's already got our hammocks down. Everybody else is taking theirs down. What? Oh, Julie's got hers down. We're getting ready. It's about 7:53. We're getting ready to try to get on the river a little earlier today, but we was wanting to be on the river at 7 this morning, but we all didn't want to get up. We're taking our stuff down to our boats, getting it ready to load up, head out. Hey!
What's up? Hey!
Water's moving this morning. That's good. Less paddling, just keep it straight. Matthew, yeah, Matthew eating that fruit cup, getting that energy this morning. We're in the water, everybody's loaded up. We're fishing to see what's on down this Yolabusha. This is day 2, the start of the 3rd section. Watch that stump right there, you going up on, G.
If I don't pull my damn seat out. Kick it in 4-wheel drive.
Why don't you just go backwards, Daddy? Paddle, Dad. You're hung up. Paddle, paddle, paddle.
That's what I was looking for. I wondered where it went.
Yeah, he's good.
Come on, Jay Boozle!
I.
Come on, Pops!
The first stop of the 2nd day.
My wig.
Jacob found how many hairdo. Let's go check him out.
Make sure my bands are set up right.
You need to brush that stuff, boy.
Need to brush it, man.
I got the bad head, man. I just woke up.
Everybody wanted to stretch their legs out today. Get in the water. I think the girls want to get in the water, so we're gonna let them get in. Well, no, you classify as on the girl side.
Okay.
You got man boobs.
Thanks, brother. Hey, this has got
And
me
we're
on a lot of speeding tickets, all right?
All right, it's got him out of a lot of speeding tickets.
Utter tit.
Utter tit. What's up, Pop?
How you doing?
Doing good. Going under a bridge. Shade. Oh wait, no shade. Hey, that log don't look safe.
No, it don't. I'm heading right to it.
Me and you both. Look at this old bridge. That does not look safe. Oh, I hope it don't fall. Right? This is Whaley Bridge. This bridge is the starting point, the ending point for the third and starting point for the fourth. We're gonna go a couple more miles and we're gonna find camp, and then we won't have much more to do tomorrow. Y'all have any luck? On trot line? Okay. What y'all put in, Greenwood? Yeah. Okay, got you a good one. Look at that. I heard that. Yes, sir, it will. Got it? You done?
Alright. Alright, Pop, you want to back up for me? No, don't do that. Jake, slop down in that, Jake. Jump. You like to jump? Yeah, you say. Jump, Jake.
There you go.
Jake, you're the guy like you.
Wise man who owns a YouTube channel once taught me a trick.
Oh, look at that. We're in a circle, not like that boat.
It's about being really good or really bad.
Nate, I'd back up.
No, they ain't a snake. I didn't ride it all that. All that jawing, I was good.
No.
In the middle bone? Like, I had something like back and forth.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Come get you some. Got it. Yeah. Job always works.
First I have to get you both, and then you're supposed to get it.
Yeah, I got it. We made it to campsite number 2. Everybody set up but Julie, and she's slowly working on that. I'm finna fix me some lunch.